The notion that fame and fortune guarantee happiness is a myth, and Carrie Fisher's memoir Wishful Drinking shatters this illusion with unflinching honesty. You will be surprised to learn that even the most glamorous lives can be marked by struggle and pain. This book is a must-listen for anyone seeking a genuine exploration of the human experience. Wishful Drinking is a candid and humorous memoir by Carrie Fisher, the beloved actress and writer, and the best part is that you can listen to the full audiobook completely free using the trial link in the description below. This book offers a unique glimpse into Fisher's life, from her childhood as a Hollywood princess to her struggles with addiction and mental health. One of the most powerful lessons from the book is that our experiences shape us, but they do not define us. Fisher shares stories of her childhood, growing up with famous parents, and how these experiences influenced her adult life. For instance, she recounts how her parents' divorce affected her perception of relationships. Another key insight is that vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. Fisher openly discusses her struggles with addiction and mental health, demonstrating that even in the darkest moments, there is always hope for recovery and growth. If this is resonating with you, don't wait, grab the full audiobook free using the link in the description. Fisher's story also teaches us that self-awareness is the key to transformation. By acknowledging our flaws and weaknesses, we can begin to heal and change. This lesson is particularly relevant in today's world, where we often present a curated version of ourselves to the world. The free trial link is waiting for you right in the description below. Click it, start listening today, and transform your life. You will gain a new perspective on the human experience and the struggles that we all face, and you will be inspired to live a more authentic and fulfilling life.